Hello everyone. Today we will study about trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics in which we study about the relationship between angles and sides of a triangle, which is right angle triangle. Trigonometry is a Greek word which is made up of three words. Three words: tri. Tri means three. Gonia. Gonia means angles, and metry means measurement. Now we have taken this angle, this triangle ABC. The side opposite to this angle theta will be what? Perpendicular, which is denoted by P. And side adjacent to this theta, this is the adjacent side which is represented by B, which is called base. And side opposite to this 90 degree will be what? Hypotenuse, which is represented by H. Now we will study about trigonometric ratios. These are the ratios of sides of these all triangles. There are 6 trigonometric ratios. Now we will talk about the sine of theta. Sine of theta is the ratio of perpendicular to hypotenuse, which means this upon this. This is what? Sine. Now we will talk about cos theta. Cos theta means the ratio of base to the hypotenuse. Base to the hypotenuse will be equal to cos theta, and cos is also called cosine. Now we will talk about the tan theta. Tan theta is a ratio perpendicular to its base. Perpendicular to its base. Tan is also called tangent. Now we will talk about 3 more trigonometric ratios, which is cosec theta. Cosec theta is a reciprocal of sin theta, which is equals to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Now we will talk about sec theta. Sec theta is a reciprocal of cos theta, which is equals to hypotenuse upon base. Hypotenuse upon base. Now there is one more trigonometric ratio, which is cot theta. Cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta, which is equals to base upon perpendicular. I hope guys you understand this. Now we will talk about trigonometric ratios. We will talk about trigonometric identities. Now we will see how the first identity we will see sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Now you have questions that how this identity came out. Now we all know by Pythagoras theorem p square is equals to base square is equal to hypotenuse square. Now we will divide whole this equation by h square, which is equals to p square h square plus b square h square is equals to 1. We have studied earlier this p upon h, which means perpendicular to hypotenuse is equals to sine theta, which is equal to sine square theta. Now this is what base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse is equal to cos theta. So this is what? Cos square theta is equal to 1. So this identity has been proved here. Now we will talk about the second identity. Again we will take Pythagoras theorem. P square plus b square is equal to h square, which means perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. This time we will divide whole this equation by perpendicular, which means p square. This is also called p square. Here this will be equal to 1 plus b square upon p square is equals to h square upon p square. This is called 1. And what is this? Base upon perpendicular square. What is this? Base upon perpendicular, what we have studied? Base upon perpendicular is equal to cot square, sorry, cot theta, base upon equal to cot theta. So here this will be what? Cot square theta. And hypotenuse upon perpendicular. What is this? Hypotenuse upon perpendicular, which is called cosec square theta. So this is our second trigonometric identity. Now we will talk about the third trigonometric identity. Now again we will take Pythagoras theorem, which is equal to p square plus b square is equal to h square. Now this time we will divide whole this equation with base of square, which is equal to base square upon this is base square. This is called what? This will be equal to p upon b square. This will be 1. This is equal to h square upon b square. Base upon, sorry, perpendicular upon base. What is this? 10. Since there is a square, so this will be 10 square theta plus 1. And hypotenuse upon base. What is this? Sec square theta. Now this is called third trigonometric ratio.